Hey guys, it's Teenager Who Cooks here, back at you with another epic cooking video. Today's video is inspired by Chess Player 78 yet again, and we're going to be making sushi. It's very tasty food. It's a food I like eating a lot. And so here's the ingredients. We're going to be making many different types of sushi today. So we have fish, imitation crab, avocados, rice. So let's get started. So I have some rice here. I'm gonna add sushi vinegar because you need to add sushi vinegar when you're making sushi. Make sushi rice. I'm just gonna mix it up. Alright, I'm gonna make California roll first. It'll just be imitation crab and avocado base. I think that's what you should have in the California roll. So first you've gotta wet your hands with some water. Got the half sheet of nori seaweed right here. Take some of our pre-prepared rice. Bam. And you're just gonna slowly spread it out into a very thin layer of rice. Spread it out onto the entire half sheet of the seaweed. So I'm gonna need more rice here. Make sure to keep wetting your hands because the rice is very sticky. If you don't have water on your hands, then it gets all sticky to your hands. So the rice has been spread out very well. Now I'm gonna put some sesame seeds. Also, put the rice on the not shiny side of the seaweed. That's just a sushi tip. I'm gonna flip it over. On this side, I'm going to add some of this imitation crab. Imitation crab number 2. Actually, for the middle, I'll do a similar piece. And imitation crab number 3. And then we're gonna add some avocados. Bam. Bam. And bam. Alright. And it's time to roll. Alright, so we're gonna start by sort of just taking our bottom of those sheet thing, pressing down on it, and then keep going, and then keep going. You wanna make it very tight, and then uncover it. You have a sushi roll. Ta-da! I'm gonna start cutting now. Alright guys, so my first California roll is done. So I'm just gonna place my California roll at a 45-degree angle. Alright, California roll is done. Now we're gonna make Philadelphia roll. So, bam. Adding sesame seeds. Alright, now we're gonna do the flip. So for our Philadelphia rolls, we're going to do salmon, cream cheese, and more cream cheese. And then we're gonna do avocado number 1, avocado number 2, and the avocado number 3 and 4. This was kind of small pieces. Alright, and now I'm gonna roll it up. Squish. Keep rolling. Squish. Final roll. Final squish. There we have it. Take it out. First cut. Wipe off the knife again, just in case. Second cut. Okay, one last time. Right here. All right, and then we have the Philadelphia rolls. All right, guys, I'm gonna make my final roll here. So we're gonna use seaweed, rice. We're gonna make tuna. It's a tuna roll, but this time it'll just be tuna. This time we're not gonna flip it because I want the seaweed to be on the outside. Now we're gonna take our very delicate tuna here. Oops, this piece is falling apart. Okay, then, so because we didn't flip it, this time the seaweed is gonna be on the outside. Like that. Continue rolling it. And like this one last time. Perfect. First in the middle. Here. And then we have our little tuna rolls. So I'm gonna try to make this type of sushi, the regular sushi. So I'm gonna form like a rectangular prism of rice. And then, right, you see, like that. And then I'm gonna take a slice of salmon here. And then put a little bit of wasabi in the middle. Like that. Take this, try to form it around the sushi a little bit more. And there. Okay, we made two. It's pretty easy. All right, so we have these tofu thing wrappers, and then for the leftover rice, we're gonna fill these little wrappers. So there's some rice seasoning that I picked up at the Japanese grocery store. So I'm just gonna mix that in. And we also mixed in a little bit of the imitation crab from earlier, the California rolls. So now we have very nice and seasoned rice for our little tofu skins. So I just bought this at the Japanese grocery store. I think you can probably get them at like any other Asian store too. Alright, so what I'm first doing is like I folded the edge of the tofu skin in to make them a little bit smaller, to make them look nicer also. And then we're just gonna use our rice to sort of fill it all up. So once they're stuffed like this, then you can just flip it over like that. Allow it to join its brothers. And then you have a great snack. I always like bringing these for lunch, during school. All right, so I'm gonna try out the sushi now. There's a bunch of different types of sushi. First start with the most basic. This is some tuna and some soy sauce. That tuna is really, really tender. And the sushi with the sushi vinegar, that's good. Right now I'm just gonna try the Philadelphia because it has like cream cheese and I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna dip it. Creamy with the salmon. This sushi is absolutely amazing. And if you enjoy seeing me make sushi and try sushi, you should go try it at home for yourself. Because it's super simple and it honestly doesn't take that much time. So if you enjoy, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next episode.